Very good afternoon to all of you. I hope all are you doing well and preparing for the exam and study well. Please be safe, stay in home. Today I am going to explain you chapter 9 in global marketing. So firstly I will just put the slide and one by one I will explain you. This is my somehow suggestion before watching this video, at least one or two time read the slides so you can properly follow this video. If you have this book, this international, the marketing book, so global marketing book, this is a test book, I think you already have it. So please follow this book to more study and understand the case related with the global marketing. So okay, I will just put the slide to explain you about this. See, this is a chapter 9. Everyone knows there are 4 P's in the marketing. We discuss around 44 P's in global marketing. But in the basic marketing, there are 4 P's. So this chapter is related with the, what is the third piece? Third piece, place. Product, price, place, promotion. So this chapter will explain you place. What is the place strategy used by the global marketers? So it's very important to global marketing people to understand the place strategy, because what is the place is here? Place means what is the place strategy is very important. If your product cannot reach to the customer hand, so everything finished. You need to sell your products, means it should be reachable. So how can you make your product reachable? There are a lot of external environment also very important. Like some countries not allowed to sell their products, outside products, or there are certain restrictions. But here we will understand what is the place strategy, means how can you distribute your products all over the world, and what is the distribution strategy you can use. So the global marketing, there are basically 3 options are there to approach or to reach your products to the customer's hand. Firstly, directly. You can sell your products directly, means no mediators. It can be possible through the, we can say, online services like Google, WhatsApp. They are selling their products or giving the services directly to the customer. But when we talk about the tangible products, like the grocery products or maybe the different types of furnitures or tangible products, intermediates are required there, mediators. And another one, business depends on an outside distribution system that may have regional or global coverage. Like example, I just give you a simple example to explain you. Suppose, take example McDonald's. McDonald's is a global company. What is the origin of McDonald's? Means this company is an American company. So it's selling products all over the world using mediators. What is their mediator model? Means franchisor. Franchising model using by the McDonald's. Some countries, one will take the franchisee and sell the products of McDonald's. So the McDonald's selling products not directly to the customer, they are using the franchisee model, mediator. Who is the mediator? Is franchisee. So now we move to the next slide. What are the decisions taken by the global market in the channel or in the place strategy? Number one is channel structure. Channel can vary from direct, producer to customer type, or to elaborate multi-level channel using many types of intermediators. See, either selling the products directly by the producer to the customer. Dell, I think Dell laptop everyone knows. This is somehow the example of from the producer to customer. But the another take example in the rice, grocery, or take example Nestle, or we can take the example of Coca-Cola. They are using the multi-level channel using. Multi-level channel using means there are basically, I am explaining 3 Zero level, one level, two level, but sometimes it's three level, even four level. If the level would be less, management would be easy. What is zero level means? Producer to the customer, directly from producer to the customer, like the online services. Google directly open the company and we can open one level. Take example, the agencies, car agencies somehow, like Toyota, they are using the agency. So only one mediator is there, is an agent. Two level means like mostly the FMCG products. FMCG means in the class also we discuss FMCG means fast moving consumer goods. So in this fast moving consumer goods using lot of mediators, sometimes two level, three level, four levels also. The FMCG products like Unilever Limited or Procter and Gamble. We discussed the case Unilever Limited and Procter and Gamble in the class also. So this company using two levels. Two levels means maybe wholesaler, retailer, or sometimes three levels also. Stockist, wholesaler, retailers. So this is a channel level. So in the beneficial of the customers, basically when the level would be less, customer will get benefit because each level will get some making money, some sharing profit, 2 to 3%, 5%, 10%. Best example to understand, the Coca-Cola and Pepsi, the highest its manufacturing cost is very low of these products, but the mediators, their profit, because of that mediator profit sharing, it reach in our hand in more price. So this is understand about the channel level. Now we move after, see, first decision is channel structure. We need to structure the channel. We need a zero level, one level, two level, three level. It depends, very, very important about your product. Like I explained you, McDonald's, they are using franchisee model. So only one level is there. Toyota agency level. I explain you about the online services. They are making zero level and dead example. So after channel structure, we move to channel design, means length and width of the channel use. Length means determined by the number of level or different types of intermediates. Width means determined by the number of institution of each type in channel, either horizontal or vertical. In the channel design, we have to be when we sell our products in the globally, we need to fix it. Take example like the soft drink companies like Coca-Cola and Pepsi. They are selling directly. Directly means they are definitely using the mediators to the products, but sometimes they are using different channel design. Like McDonald's, you will find a particular type of cold drink companies tie up with there. So this company is using the vertical and horizontal channel design to sell their products. Now, selection of mediators. It is a very, very important, and we have to be very careful about when we choose the mediator. We need to check his reputation, his performance, his past history and everything, because see, we are using mediators in their hand to sell their products. Suppose you are sitting, you are selling your company in the US, and you are selling your products in Oman or maybe UAE or different areas. So the consumers, they know maybe your reputation is very good of your company, but they know or they will buy your products because of the mediator's reputation and their performance. So that's why we have to be very careful choosing the selection of mediators. So for that purpose, we need to put the types of mediators, sources of funding intermediators, screening in intermediators, and making the agreement. All over the global companies, they make the agreement with the distributors means either by the agency, stockist, wholesaler, retailers. You must know there are, who are the mediators? Agency, like car, whoever the selling the car, he's taken the agency. Number two is wholesaler. Retailer means like the Carrefour, Ramis, or they are the retailers. And when we talk about stockist, basically using in the medical, in the pharma company, they are having the stockist. So the producer or the manufacturing company, they make the agreement to sell their products. It's a distributor agreement. Now the channel management. Channel management important or not? Yes, it is very, very important because mediators also our customers. How they are customers? Yes, because they are buying products from you or you have any agreement to sell the products. So we have to make relationship either by financial or non-financial motivating factors. So mainly they should promote your products. How they will promote your products? Because of your relationship, either by financial or non-financial. So seller and the buyer are open about their expectations. So we have to be very careful and we have to make a proper relationship. Customer relationship management also apply with the mediators. Mediators means the retailers, means those who are buying products for resale. They are the mediators. Mediators means those people or the company or any organization buying products for the resale. They are the mediators. So we have to maintain the relationship, only through that they will promote the products. Take example, Carrefour. Carrefour is selling lot of products. So if what type of product, when next time you visit the Carrefour, you just observe what type of product basically they are promoting. You will find they are promoting their own products. Carrefour also their own products. After that, they will prefer the products like good rapport and good relationship with the company. So this is a very, very important for the manufacturer to manage the channel. Now, lastly, we just in this last slide is the transfer pricing. Successful pricing is a key element in the marketing mix. So transfer pricing is the pricing of sales to members of the corporate family. See, this chapter, I just conclude this chapter, it's all about the distribution and channel strategy. What are the things you have to be remember or you have to be more focused? What is the channel distribution strategy? Is it important? Yes, it is very, very important. And what are the decisions taken by the global marketers? So they have to take the three decisions: what is channel structure, what is channel design, and what is selection of mediators. So thank you very much. This is chapter 9 finish. More details you can find in the Moodle. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you very much. All the best. Stay home and be safe.